I've been living off-grid in the high desert of Arizona going on 5 years now, and we're going to talk about how I prefer to keep my camper van and my shop and my gym warm around my off-grid homestead. "45 degrees this morning, and this is a geothermal greenhouse, but I have another greenhouse that's not heated whatsoever. There could be a lot of benefits to heating a greenhouse when it's freezing outside." Let's go take a look at the portable unit, because hell, maybe tomorrow morning I'd really like to work out in the gym and it's going to be cold, so maybe we'll set it up, to work out, and maybe we need to do some work in the shop and we'll be able to stay warm in there as well. Fired right up the first time. So all I did, I cut the wires because the connectors were set up more for like a 12 volt circuit breaker. So they were just a little too small for the 12 volt battery. But I'll just run it on 12 volt battery most of the time. And they have another plug so you can plug it into 110 if you want. But living off grid, it usually makes sense to run 12 volt. So I connected it to the battery, put fuel in it, hit on, and here we go. It's started up. It's ready to go. I see a little smoke coming out. Let's see, where's the exhaust at? Oh, okay, right here. So if I point it this way, on the front of the unit, this is where the heat will come from. This is the level of diesel, so you can do up to 6 liters. There's a little lid right here that opens up to your controller, so you can make adjustments to settings. And then they placed the little key fob back here in this one. Looks like a toolbox, kind of, has latches. So you can open it up like a toolbox. The intake is on this side. You can place the battery back here, plug in 12 volt or 110, and then the exhaust is on this side. And they do have a longer exhaust tube and muffler that you can attach. I think personally, if it runs fine without it, then I'll just let it run without it. Like I said before, I've run these for years, and so I already have a hole lined up on the outhouse because I've heated it before using one of these. But here we are using this new unit in the outhouse. When it's 0 degrees outside, you might be surprised how nice it is to have a little heat. My gym is 10 feet by 10 feet, and there are some openings at the roof there. And I was thinking maybe I could throw up a canvas tarp along the end here, and I should be able to fit in most of my workouts inside the gym there, and just having this heater set up like this should be pretty nice and take the edge off. And if you notice, on the left side there's an old kind of a transportable unit that is much larger, bulky than this one, and I tied a battery into that system, and it worked pretty good. But I like how this system is more compact, and it'll probably be the main unit that I use as a portable unit around the homestead.